And then overnight tonight, we're going to fall back down to or below freezing in many spots. So there could be some slick travel. Now, we'll talk about Tuesday coming up because tomorrow, relatively quiet, sunny, seasonally chilly, bit below normal with the temperatures. And then Tuesday, a statewide snowfall looks likely depending on the exact track. But right now, the heaviest looks to line up central and southern parts of the state with some slow travel, just about a guaranteed. The big question is exactly how much snow do we see? In the short term, however, snow to the north, rain to the south is going to wrap up quickly in about 3 or 4 hours. It's all gone with lingering flakes to the north. However, what we're tracking for Tuesday, lining up in parts of the Rockies, that's the energy for the storm, and the moisture sitting over the Gulf Coast states in the deep south. And eventually, this will all come together, throwing snow our way for the second day of December. And because of that chance of over 4, 5, 6 inches of snow anywhere from Conway Point south, a winter storm watch has been posted by the National Weather Service. Begins around 9 a.m. on Tuesday, runs until 1 a.m. early on Wednesday morning, meaning the storm is long gone with just a cleanup left over for Wednesday morning's commute. As for Tuesday morning's drive, could be a little bit slick far north and west with the dusting to maybe a half inch of snow. However, it's really after 9 or 10 a.m. through the afternoon hours and the evening when we get in on the heaviest of the snow. The heaviest again right now in these areas shaded in darker blue. Notice how the amounts are a little bit lighter with the intensity to the north. However, the brunt of this storm, if we get in on it, would be from around midday or 1 o'clock through about 8 or 9 in the evening, and then a rapid shutoff from west to east from 10 p.m. till 1 or 2 in the morning. And then it's all about the cleanup overnight into early on Wednesday morning. At this call right now, this time, the call for snow is a general 4 to 8 inches from Plymouth, the Mount Washington Valley, and Point South. Possible mixing at the coast could drop the amounts right along shore roads and away from the storm center, lower amounts of 2 to 4 inches of snow. Also keep in mind, it is Sunday evening. This thing doesn't move in until mid-morning on Tuesday, so these amounts will likely change a little bit depending on the exact track. If it moves a bit closer, a little bit less at the coast due to more mixing, but some of the amounts could be at the higher end, if not even higher than that 8. If it tracks a bit farther south, then the amounts, of course, will be lower. So certainly stay tuned to updates between now and tomorrow night and early on Tuesday. Beyond that storm, for Wednesday, bright and chilly. Same story on Friday. In between, could be a snow shower on Thursday. That's along what we call an Arctic front. Look at the high on Friday, only in the teens north, 20s south.